Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to the Orange School's brand new technology lab. My name is Gerjan Adriana Henriquez, and it's technology lab time.
Good morning, Teacher Adriana. These students are new to the lab. To avoid confusion, can you please explain the technology lab time rules to them?
Boys and girls, before you can begin using this brand new space, there are some things I will have to tell you about this technology center. They are the technology lab rules.
Teacher Adriana, how should we behave in the technology lab?
Always walk in quietly and sit quietly on the carpet in front of the big screen in the order you arrive in. The big screen is called an interactive whiteboard.
An interactive whiteboard is much more fun to use than a chalkboard.
Be nice to computers. Always have clean hands. No food or drinks in the lab. Don't touch the screens. Be gentle with mice and headphones. Print with permission.
And we should always leave our area neat, clean, and organized. Please always be nice to the equipment. Remember, the computer is not yours, so do not change the settings or icons.
Internet rules. Stay on approved websites. No email. No chatting. Never give out personal information. There will be no internet until your parents sign permission.
Teacher Adriana, how should the boys and girls exit the technology lab?
Dismissal procedures. When you hear the bell, give me 5. Say work and exit programs. Hang headphones up. Straighten keyboard and mouse. And gather materials in trash.
Please remember to push in your chair and stand behind it until dismissed.
Lining up procedures. When instructed, turn to the left. Walk slowly to the door, staying behind whoever is in front of you. Wait for permission from your teacher before exiting.
Boys and girls, do not touch the interactive whiteboard unless you're given permission. Make sure your head does not obstruct the path of the projector to whiteboard.
The consequences for breaking technology lab rules. 1. You will be moved to the timeout chair. 2. Timeout center, copying from computer books. 3. Loss of computer privileges.
Woo! I don't want to lose my technology lab privileges for a week or more. And worse yet, I will have to make a principal's office visit, and my parents will be notified.
If you deliberately damage lab equipment, then you will be suspended from the computer lab until a parent meeting is held.
Teacher Adriana, I promise to stay on task and get my work done so that you will give me free time and computer free time tickets.
Well, boys and girls, have a great year and lots of fun learning. Once more, welcome to our new technology and research lab.